Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me get that straight. Okay, what are we doing? We are going to be creating my summer notebook for traveler's notebook for this summer, basically. I don't know why I had to think about that, but anyways, I am going to be creating a prepping for summer, and I'm going to be creating my own traveler's notebook. I am going to be using some of those free carton that scrapbook.com sends when you order paper, and I'll be using that. And then I have a few collections here. It's like a mixture, but as you can see, I'm kind of going for like a bright yellow. So I have a few sticker sheets. This one is from Photoplay and it's called Squeeze Some Fun. So that's the stickers. This one is just the note cards, or note cards. Also by Squeeze Some Fun by Photoplay. I'll be trimming these. I'll put those separately. This one is from Simple Story, Hello Summer. Can you guys even see? Oops, there. 12 by 12 sticker sheets. I have some leftover chipboard stickers that are a little bit thick, but I thought that I could implement them before I waste them. Here is another 12 by 12. Oops, oh man, it really stuck to that. But this is another 12 by 12 sticker sheets, and this one is also by Photoplay, but this one is called For the Love of Summer. Some 12 by 12, you guys saw this already because I've done, oh, maybe you didn't see it. This was a scrapbook page, and I'm gonna cut these up as well. Simple Stories, Hello Summer. I'm gonna trim these. This one's by Photoplay. It is called Summer Bucket List, and I just love the cut-in. They look like ice cream cones, but the cut-in could also be like a cotton ball. I don't know. Cotton candy, yeah, exactly. So I have this paper. I just thought it was super pretty. This is Photoplay, Those Summer Days. And as you can see, I'm kind of going for like a yellow, like a bright yellow this year. This one, Those Summer Days, I gotta trim that. Hello Summer by Simple Stories. And then I have the kids. This one is, of course, Hello Summer. And this one is Squeeze Some Fun from Photoplay. So what I want to do is take both collections, pick out the colors that kind of resemble or can easily transfer between each other to make the pages. And we're also going to be making the covers. So this notebook, I am going to finally be making my own little one. You guys saw a few of the notebooks that I did to give away. So this one is actually going to be mine, and I'm going to be using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I only need 8. These are my leftovers. So as you can see, I'm kind of going for like a bright color. And I wanted to use these for myself because last year, if you guys remember, I created this traveler's notebook, and look how thick it ended up being. So this year, I want to do the same thing, but I want to have movement or more freedom. I mean, this notebook is pushed to the max on thickness, and as you can see, I'm supposed to have room for 4, but because it's so thick, I only have it in 1, and so it sits on my shelf just by itself. And last year I ended up using different collections in one notebook. In this time, I'm gonna make 2 collections combined to make it one, basically. So all the ones, super cool to see it finally. And I was able to maintain this. Look how undocumented for the year without having to be backlogged on like another year. You know what I mean? Like I did this in lieu of a 12 by 12 album for summer. So super cool. But this year I wanted to change it a little bit, like I said. See, even the pages started getting bent. You see how they like almost form like the shape of this, basically. So you see what I mean? Because it's so thick. So this year, this was the last one. You can see the very last page. So this year I was like, you know what, let's I have this upside down, let's document this summer so it's current and I'm not having to take a ton of pictures and then I'm stuck with years and years of photos that I never get to doing them. So I'm gonna start early. I'm gonna start working on this, creating the notebook, and I'm gonna work on the layouts as I go during the summer so that I don't fall back, basically. Sorry, who's calling? Okay, so I've already showed you what I want to do. The first thing I'm going to do is kind of move all of these stickers, and I'm going to take the time to trim my note cards, and I also need to decide what size I'm going to make. So I know I want it I'm gonna be using my hole punch, if you guys remember this one, and it has a size here for an 8.5 right there, an 8.5. So I do want it to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So yeah, 8.5 equals 8, but I want it to be what is this? This is width, length, right? Length and width. So I want it to be bigger, so I mean wider, so I have more space for pictures. So I haven't decided what size I'm going to make it. So let me think about it while I start trimming my paper and saving all of these cute little strips, and we'll move on, start working on the covers. Okay, so let me move stuff aside and then just cut some paper. Okay, so now that I've cut my cards, I'm going to move this aside and my strips. I need a bigger table. I am going to go through the 2 collections and marry the papers and how I want them to go together. Pairing them up, if that makes any sense. Okay, so where do you go here? So you can soften these 2. Or do I put you here? No, I don't like it. You definitely are going here. Okay, so that is my order for that. I am going to continue to cut these. This is extra, right? Yeah, I think these are extra. I don't necessarily like the background, and I already have this cut out, so I will probably put this in the giveaway. I only have one cotton, but you know what? I'm not gonna use that either, because no, I'm using this for when we go to the state fair. I'm using the traveler's notebook that Susan made for me. So all these sticker sheets I am moving out the way, and these I'm gonna put in my other Hibiscus collection. I'll show you that later on when I'm working on that notebook. And now let me go ahead and cut this one. Use these for my covers, cut my chipboard, and then we could get started on decorating our front and back cover and cutting our pages to size. So I'm gonna switch you guys to speed mode because this is gonna be forever. And I'm gonna put on some Netflix. We'll see you guys at the end when I show you the final product. Okay, I have decided to cut these in 6x8. No, I'm sorry. On a 5.5 by 8 inches. So I am going to trim the other ½ inch here. So this notebook is going to be a 8 by 5.5. Okay, so the pink is going to be my front cover, like so. And this one's gonna be my back cover, like so. Okay, back to speed mode you go, you guys. I just wanted to let you guys know that information. 8 by 5.5. And then I've cut this one 9 by 6.5. So 1 inch, giving myself 1 inch to work around. And that is our cover. Okay, I'm gonna need to find paper for here. Although, technically I could use this other side. Alright guys, I'm still drinking coffee and it's like, what time is it? Let me tell you, 1:27. And no, it's almost time for me to go get the kids. and get in school lines, which could take forever, trust me. So anyways, ignoring that, let's get on to the notebook because I went ahead and finished the pages off camera, and I'm gonna do a quick flip through. The pages are bare, and that's because I'm gonna be working on them as this summer moves along. My husband was super sweet, and he actually bought me a photo printer for Mother's Day, which was on my list of gifts that I wanted. And I am able, well, I gotta get photo paper, but I am able to get my own pictures now, so I don't have to wait. I don't have to worry about printing them and sending them to get printed to CVS or, you know, wherever. I normally use CVS because they do have really good discount codes. But, yeah, I'm gonna be working on these as summer moves along. So I'm gonna do a quick flip through, and then you guys will be seeing a lot more of this as we work together. So here is my cover. You guys saw this already. Just kind of made a little cluster. I actually need to put like 2019 in here just so that it knows, we know it's for this year. So kept these pages simple and single. You guys will start seeing a few. These I glued back to back. I just did this, was a good transition. I went ahead and scolded, is not a kid. I've folded this one this way. This is just a little short one. And that. These. Made a little pocket here. Folded these back to back. And this one too, I glued them back to back because these pages were the ones that had like the cutouts, like the note cards, and I didn't want that to show, so I ended up gluing them back to back. Made a little, oh no, I actually glued this one. So that's a page there, here. And there you go. That's the end. And if you don't like the pattern, you can remove it, place it in another location, move things around as you please. And again, what I like is that you have more freedom to expand your notebook and make it a little bit wider as it gets thick with pictures and decorations and things like that. If it does get super thick for these rings, you can replace them for the medium size, or you could remove pages and put them in a separate one. So again, I really love these rings. I like the freedom and mobility that it gives you to do this kind of thing. And this is going to be my summer 2019 traveler's notebook. So you guys will be seeing this obviously a lot more because I'm going to be sharing layouts as we do eat things, you know, go to the pool or go to the beach or whatever, just getting more out there in recording our summer. So anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this little notebook, and we will see you guys next time. Have a good one. Bye.